In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a logo to your Wix website. Whether you're a small business owner or a blogger, a logo is a crucial part of your brand identity, and this tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure your site looks professional and consistent with your brand. Let's dive right into your Wix editor. To begin, navigate to your site. Within the Wix editor interface, you'll notice the left-hand menu, which is packed with all sorts of options for customizing your site. Here, you'll want to click on Add Elements, which is represented by a plus icon. This is where you'll add all your site elements, from text to images, and of course your logo. Once you're there, select the Image tab. This is a comprehensive section that allows you to incorporate visual elements into your site. Under this tab, find and select Custom Logo. If you've previously created a logo using the Wix Logo Maker, it will readily appear here for you to use. In this scenario, simply click Add Logo and select your logo from the list. Next, you'll click Manage Brand. This feature allows you to add relevant information to your logo, helping to reinforce your brand consistency across the site. At this point, you can choose a design from the available options to fit your brand's aesthetic and messaging. For those who have not yet purchased or created a logo, Wix provides an easy solution. You can craft a logo using their tools and use the free sample file, which is full file, which is sized at 200 by 200 pixels to display on your site. Should you require higher resolution logo files, these can be acquired by upgrading to any of the Wix logo packages available. If you already have a Wix logo and you'd like to add it, the steps are straightforward. Once again, click on Add Elements from the left menu, select the Image tab and choose Custom Logo. Simply click Add Logo to incorporate it onto your site. Now, if your logo has been designed externally or through other means, you can still effortlessly upload it. Be aware, though, that uploading your logo directly through the editor won't automatically associate it with your site's business info. You will need to add it manually via your site's dashboard. To upload your image, head back to Add Elements and select Image. Choose Upload Images and decide where you'd like to source this media from, according to the options given. Finally, select the specific image you want, and it will seamlessly integrate into your site's design. And there you have it. You've now learned how to add your logo to a Wix site, ensuring your online presence is consistently branded and visually appealing. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished and professional look that will resonate with your audience.